What's the difference between the 2.8 GD6 and the 2.4 GD6? If you're in the market to buy a Hilux or a Fortuner like this one, then you might be asking yourself the question, which one is better and what will work for you and your budget? So let's talk about it. So both of these are from the GD lineup in the Toyota family. You've got the 2.4 GD6, which is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel. This one makes 150 horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque. So the 2.4 liter is really going to be best suited for people who are doing, some light duty work, daily commuting in the city. You can do your longer road trips, but with the 2.4, you're normally going to buy this if you're a person who's more interested in, just doing local commuting. And also for, fleets, a lot of companies will buy these because it's also going to save you a lot on the initial cost of the vehicle itself. When you get a 2.4 version of a Hilux or a Fortuner, it's going to be considerably cheaper because of the smaller engine that you get. Because of that small displacement, they're going to save you quite a bit when it comes to fuel. They don't have that much horsepower and they don't require it, because in most applications people are going to use these for just low power situations and some moderate towing here and there. When it comes to the gearboxes, both of these will get 6-speed manual or automatic transmissions, and both of them are very reliable. They don't have many issues. Most people who go for the 2.4 GD6, especially for fleets, will go ahead and get the manual transmission. Of course, manual transmissions are going to be lower cost when it comes to maintenance. So if you have any problem with the manual transmission, it's going to be much cheaper for you to fix. So if you're trying to get these cars for a fleet, you're going to be doing things like hiring the vehicles out, or they're going to be doing work in mines or other construction business, you're better off getting the manual transmission, because it is going to cost you less to service and maintain that transmission. The automatic transmission is great if you're going to be doing a lot of daily driving and just using this for family applications. You're going to get smoother shifts from your transmission, and also the reduced input of the driver having to change gears just makes it be a more comfortable drive. Like I said, these things are very reliable, so the service and maintenance is not going to be a problem still if you use an automatic transmission on a 2.4. So now let's talk about the interior features that you get for the 2.4 and the 2.8. And in general, you can spec out the 2.4 to have pretty much anything that the 2.8 has when it comes to the interior of the vehicle. But the 2.8 GD6 vehicles are generally going to be the ones that come with the most premium stuff. So you're always going to get leather seats when it comes to the 2.8 GD6, while with the 2.4 GD6 you're actually going to have to find a unit that has the leather seats, or if you're buying it from the showroom, you can spec it out to come with the leather seats. And also another thing that will be different is your infotainment system. The 2.8 GD6 will always have a higher quality infotainment system, but when it comes to the 2.4 GD6, it will have a lower quality unit. But stuff like this can be upgraded even after you buy the car. So you can buy the 2.4 GD6 because it's going to be cheaper, missing a head unit that's high quality, but it's easy to upgrade those things even after you buy the vehicle and have saved a bit of money. But whether you drive a 2.4 or a 2.8, you can protect your Hilux or your Fortuner with a comprehensive insurance cover by Nico Insurance Zambia. Choose from a variety of competitive policies and special offers like the Lady Driver policy that gives you up to 35% discount, and so many other benefits. Get full peace of mind knowing that you're legally protected against injury, death, and property damage to others. Plus, you enjoy the extended benefits like medical refunds and even audio equipment protection. Support the brands that support Z Gear, and check out the Nico Insurance Zambia Facebook page to get their full product listing. Now let's get back to the video. So now let's look at the reliability and the maintenance on both of these cars. The 2.8 GD6 is going to be less reliable than the 2.4, and that's basically because the 2.4, as much as it is built around the same platform as the 2.8, it's slightly underpowered. You get less performance from the 2.4, But the advantage that that brings is the fact that the engine is not going to be as stressed as you would see on the 2.8. So generally the 2.4 is going to outlive the 2.8 GD6, just based on the fact that it is essentially over-engineered for the low power that it makes. So for companies and fleets, you're going to prefer using the 2.4 for the fact that the engine is going to last longer, but also even the service kits for the 2.4 are going to be slightly cheaper than the 2.8. But in general, the 2.4 is going to last much longer, and people will appreciate that. But don't get me wrong, the 2.8 GD6 is also a very, very strong engine. It's going to be able to carry out its work, and especially if it is serviced well, even if you do a lot of off-roading and some heavy towing, the 2.8 GD6 is going to last you very long. But it is just a point to note that the 2.4 is going to last longer because it's underpowered and the engine is less stressed at the end of the day. So another very important thing that we need to talk about when it comes to the 2.8 and the 2.4, if you're trying to buy a Fortuner or a Hilux, is the resale value. And the resale value really just depends on where the car is going. So for example, if you're going to buy the 2.4, the 2.4 is going to have more value to companies and people who own fleets, where they're going to be using those cars, whether they're hiring them out or it's a company that's going to have, the car going to different places for, office work, or even the mines, for example. They're going to appreciate a 2.4 much better and than a 2.8. But if you're going to an individual buyer who values being able to tow heavy loads, or they're going to kit it out for off-roading, then they're going to find more value with the 2.8. But overall, both the 2.8 and the 2.4 are going to hold their value very well when you're trying to resell. You're not going to really have any problems because it will just depend on where you're taking the car to. All right, guys, I hope this video helped somebody who's trying to buy a Hilux or a Fortuner, just trying to decide whether you should get the 2.4 GD6 or you should get the 2.8. If you guys want me to do any other comparison videos of some cars that then let me know which comparisons I should make, just to help you guys make a better decision. Remember to like the video and follow also for more content like this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and drive safe.